Everyone in the courtroom believed this man was too sick to stand trial. He was in a nursing home, confined to a wheelchair, and reportedly unable to care for himself. But when the judge uncovered a shocking letter exposing what had really been happening behind the scenes, the entire case took a dramatic turn. What happened next left everyone speechless.
Just how long has he been immobile?
He been immobile with me for the last 4 to 5 months.
Right. Right. You know, what I was going to ask you from him today is that he's a severe diabetic amputee. He has bed sores all over the place. He has a catheter in him. And the reason why I asked Mrs. Joseph come because she's with the nursing home. He's currently in a nursing home. He can't sit through a trial with his. Well, you tell him.
Yeah,
What's going on with it?
Who
are you?
I'm
She
on
can
the caregiver. They sent from the facility here with him once a day.
What can you tell me about him?
Really don't know anything
What
about
is your name?
My name is Ashley Joseph.
Who is Natasha Yeoman?
Natasha Yeoman is the case worker, the social worker for her.
Now, I want to know what your story is because she wrote me a note. I want to know what you're going to say about him before I start being upset with the way things are being done in this case. Go ahead, give it your best shot.
I just know that I brought him here today. I had to manually push him here. He's the Hoyer lift, and I take care of him, you know.
How long have you been doing that?
I've been taking care of him, like I said, for a few months since he's been in our facility. Don't know really much about his personal background. I'm the CNA van driver. I work with him on the floor. He is a diabetic, you know, amputee, and have some health issues, but you know, I can't tell you his backstory honestly, because I was with him at the school. Like the bed, you know, give direct care to him, like trying to explain.
Pretty much he's unable to amble about and get around. He's
He a Hoyer lift.
Yeah.
He's a Hoyer lift. That blue pad, that's what I use, me and another aide, to put him in the chair this morning.
Mhm. How long has that been occurring? How long has he had that?
Yeah, we've been using him as
Yeah.
a Hoyer lift since he been with us.
For how long?
And like I said, he been with
No, for how long?
for a couple of months.
Really?
He been-
Today's the 11th, isn't it?
Yeah,
May 11th.
He's been at the nursing home.
And he's been pretty much invalid, as unable to take care of himself and
Yeah,
not able to ambulate and get around.
Well, we give total care,
I'm asking
and
you.
that's a motorized chair.
And
that
he's unable to act independently. You know, get around and move. He doesn't go in and out of the facility or things like that, huh?
Yeah, before.
So how is he unable to go to trial? What do you mean?
It's
He's
the
coming in and out.
chair.
Is he walking in and out?
No, he didn't motorized chair. I have an issue because today the chair is broke.
I'm sorry?
I said I had an issue because he's immobile. The chair broke down.
He's immobile.
And I need to manually.
I think I've heard enough. Natasha Yeoman, nice person, good person, believable person.
Yeah.
All right, let me tell you what she wrote to me 5 days ago. This email is to inform you that Mr. Swafford remains a resident at our facility. I'm not aware of the stipulations of his bond, but he continues to sign himself out of the facility. Over this weekend, he was at the hospital due to cocaine usage. He tested positive for cocaine and marijuana at the hospital. I'm not sure this is a violation or not, but of course it is a violation. I wanted to inform you. He's continually signing himself out of the facility.
Yeah, I don't.
And he's getting cocaine. What's going on over there? There's all kinds of violations of my bond.
Yeah. I mean, I wasn't aware that I don't work weekends.
This is a
I
joke.
work Monday through Friday.
That's laughable. There's no way to run a facility and he's sitting there like he's immobile and unable to move. I mean, it's a big joke. It's a fraud that's being pulled. No, I'm not going to fall for it. I'm going to believe this lady. No, put him to trial. something, but if he's doing that, then he needs to be in a facility, a jail facility. And because
He
he can
was.
get around it.
He was.
And he's using drugs. And these people are obviously the people who run this facility are very frustrated with him.
And if she sent you their letter, I'm a transporter and the aide that
Yes,
just get them up.
I don't think you're responsible for knowing this kind of information. That's not what your job is. But the lady who is, I'm not happy at all.
Right.
He's pulling a fraud on all of us, and it's not going to happen.
Yes.
Your bond is revoked.
Yes, sir.
Today. We'll deal with you when we're through with this, but playing possum on everybody else while you're using cocaine is irresponsible behavior, and you will be held strictly accountable. All right, we'll put him special. Relaxed. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
When is that gonna, about when? A week, you think?
Could be later this
Mr. Wilkerson's gonna be here today.
Yeah, he's ill. But what can we do? And we don't know much about it. So
I know a little bit. We should be
I'm
able
gonna
to
just
do-
reset it 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it looks like it's gonna be disposed of. I don't know if you know that, but according to your lawyer, things are working out in an agreement. I hope you're aware of that. But we're gonna just reset it 1 week. And what's the plan?
So Catholic judge.
Okay. Just get a resetting.
A man claiming he couldn't even get around on his own. Yet evidence suggested a very different story. Do you think the judge made the right decision? For more unbelievable courtroom moments, shocking verdicts, and real-life justice stories, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the next case.